Saan?
Ah, the chocolate.
Chocolate ang
Ulitan mo lang siya, manipis lang. Pero kuha mo siya ng cake. Looks yummy! Wait for ate!
Cake.
Chocolate?
It's my birthday.
Yeah.
It's not Kuya's birthday yet.
It's Mia's. Next is whose birthday?
Kuya's.
Mom.
Oh,
It's mommy's birthday next. Daddy's the last one.
then Kuya.
No, daddy's the last one na.
Now Kuya.
Can you tell me if it's yummy? Ella. Is it yummy? You're just eating the chocolate. Yum? Say thank you.
Thank you.
For the greetings, everyone.
No.
Sige na.
No.
Thank you for all the birthday greetings that you posted on Facebook and in my email for Mia's 4th birthday.
Nah.
Although she doesn't show it now, but she was really happy when I read her the messages. Thank you also for Umi and Lods and Umi Deng for calling Mia today on her birthday.
A finger.
Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Sa camera. Bye.
Bye.